good?
Tommy Short gets one, right? Something last week.
Okay. All right, from the pitch. Here we go. Ready? A lifted no. Here we go. No. Okay, can everybody see me?
Yeah.
Now, look in the mirror.
You'll be able to see me when you're on the riser. Ready? Your pitch pipes are going. Ready? Gonna try to take my time. Don't do pitch pipes yet. Breathe, knees. Try to take my time. Pitch pipes. Chorus position.
She turns, we turn.
We do that again? Sorry. Okay. We're breathing right after Red Hot Mama. Flexing your knees slightly. Come back to the middle. So clapping. That's it. Okay, that's a thin, unringing pitch. So we have to get that space open and ready. Let's come out front. You're down the tiles. Pitch.
Oh
to sustain harmony. Does everybody understand what we mean by that, what I mean by that? We're on an ah sound, do I, and somebody goes, I. That's it. You don't do that. If you're running out of air, just don't sing, take a breath and come in on the vowel, okay? Are you still winded from Red Hot Mama? No. Okay, let's take it from the pitch. A nice pitch around the sound, yeah.
How can I tell you what is in my heart? How can I measure each and every part? How can I tell you how much I love you? Love you. How can I measure just how much I do?
Hydraulics.
How much do I love you? I'll tell you no lie. How deep is the ocean? How high is the sky? How many times a day do I think of you? How many roses are sprinkled with dew? And how far would I travel to be where you are? How far is the journey from here to a star? And if I ever lost you, how much would I cry? How deep is the ocean? How high is the sky? And if I ever lost you, how much would I cry? How deep is the ocean? How high is the sky?
Whoa, goosebumps on that chord, goosebumps. That was great.
Nothing happening. One, two, three, and.
Dead center is Lynn and Michelle.
Yes.
You go that way, you go that way.
I go this way?
What you're doing, you do the other elbow, turn the other side.
Oh, you want me to go this
Yes,
way?
so it'll split it evenly, yes.
Okay.
Okay?
Snap.
Because you're both dead center.
Snap,
Okay.
snap. The lights go down. I turn around. We're going to go back to columns. 1, 2, 3, and shift. And then we go off from that side.
Great.
Any questions?
Yeah, it was good.
I need more.
Good.